my reflection in the mirror. And why am I doing this to myself? Losing my mind on a tiny error. I nearly left the real me on the shelf. No, 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 don't lose who you are.